Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful and elegant kurti neckline. And to begin with this project, I have just already marked the shoulders, armhole like such, and from the neckline I'm going to take the neckline depth to be 4.5. This neckline is going to be pretty close to your neck because it has a very beautiful pattern all around your neck. So I want to make this neckline to be close. So using the French curve, I'm going to just draw a very simple small U neckline like this, and I'm be cutting this out. So the depth of the neckline is absolutely depends upon you, and this is the lace I'm going to use to my neckline, and this is a 1 inch wide lace. And now I'm just cutting into my neckline like this. So once I make my neckline, I'm going to use the interfacing canvas to interface my neckline. So I have just folded the interfacing canvas in half, and I have placed my kameez fabric on top of that, matching the folded edge of the fabric with the canvas. And I'm just marking the same of the neckline, just like a small U neckline. And I've been leaving a 1 to 1.5 inch as a seam allowance for the neckline. I'm just using a very dark pencil so that you can see where my neckline runs. And this is a glass marking pencil I use in all my project. It just works really cool. And this is an Apsara Platinum glass marking pencil. And now, just like that, I'm going to cut my neckline like this. And I'm going to just press this neckline on a piece of fabric, and I'll show you how to attach this to my kurta. So now I'm cutting the inner part of my interfacing canvas. So this is a piece of fabric where I'm going to press my interfacing canvas on. So this canvas has a glue on one side and it's going to remain plain on another side. So make sure you press on the glue side. And on the neckline I'm just going to mark a 1 inch like such, because my lace is like 1 inch. So I'm just leaving 1 inch all around my neckline as an allowance, and I'm just marking it dark like such. And to the folded edge I want the lace to be seen till 5 inches like this, and the next side is going to have a 4 inch. So this is going to be reduced till like 3, 2 and 1. So now I have marked for 3 inches, and then I have marked for 2 inches. So let me just draw a simple line. So I'm going to lay the lace on the exact line like this. So now I'm going to use a carbon paper to trace this pattern to the next side of the fabric. So just like that, I'm placing the carbon paper underneath. Using the tracing tool, I'm going to trace this measurement to the next side. So very simple, just run the tracing wheel on top of this. So if you don't have a tracing wheel, you can just use a normal pencil, just like that. Just draw a line on top of that, and when you see to the next side, and you can see how beautifully the line has been traced to the next side. And I show you, hope you can see this line. This is the line and this is the end point of the line. So this is the open side and this is how it's look. So let me show you how to place this beautiful ribbon on top of this. So just like that, place it on the exact line, make a small twist on the down part, and you're going to twist it again, and you're going to take to the neckline part like this. So you can use a satin ribbon, any kind of lace, it's left up to you. So let me repeat and show you again. So just have a small twist on the down part, and again you're going to twist at the top. Make sure you just comes close when it goes up. So let me show you the stitching part of this. I have already sewn the 3 of the lace, and I'm going to repeat that from my center part right now, and start sewing from the center and have a twist at the down part. So come till the exact pointed tip of the lace. Just drop your needle down, lift your foot up, just turn the fabric a little bit, and you're going to twist the lace again, and this is going to run all the way up till the neckline ends. So when it goes up, make sure that you join the lace gradually at the top like this. It is very beautiful neckline. I simply love the neckline. You can use any kind of glimpsy lace to the neckline because it's going to look really beautiful. So now I'm just sewing the outer part of the lace and coming back to a center point, and again put the needle in, turn the fabric just by lifting up the foot, and you're going to go all the way up. For the sleeves you can attach the same kind of lace, a small piece of lace on the sleeves. Even a simple plain fabric going to look really beautiful with this neckline. So again I'm going to repeat the same to the next side, that is the next line, and fold that, and you're going to go all the way up like this. So same like that I'm going to finish off my entire neckline. So once after attaching this, I show you how to finish the neckline just by adding the interfacing to the neckline. And if you like this video and if you want more kurta neckline videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So one more line to go. So same like that I'm going to sew the outer part of the neckline like this. Very simple, very easy to make, and it just looks really elegant. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my next one. So once it's done, the neckline is going to look like this, and to the neckline part I'm going to attach my interfacing, which I have prepared before just by pressing the interfacing on a piece of fabric and folding the raw edge. And this is how it's going to look. Make sure that the center point of the interfacing canvas matches the center point of your kurta neckline, and pin that on the exact center, and also matching the shoulders. So pinning is very important when you make a U neckline. So most of them will mess up in U neckline. So because the neckline has a cross in that, it has a bias like that shape. So when you sew a U neckline, make sure you pin that in place and you use a interfacing canvas if you are beginners. Okay, so just like that I have just sewn my U neckline, and once it's done I have made some notches to the neckline. You can see I have made the notches to the entire U neckline, and I'm going to flip this to the wrong side of the fabric like such, and I'm going to use the pins to secure that in place before taking that to my sewing machine. So just like that, I'm going to tuck in my interfacing canvas and I'm going to sew that together. So make sure you fold the entire interfacing underneath the neckline, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to finish off the neckline. So just like that, I'm going to put a top stitch like this, little by little, and this is how it's going to look once it's done. And to the center point of the lace I'm going to mark some points so that I'm going to attach a beautiful pearl beads to the center. So I have just given a 5 points over there, and I'm going to sew the pearl beads on the exact center. So now I'm going to add this bead to the exact center on the marked point. So I'm going to use the needle and thread to sew this at the exact center of the neckline. So in this way the neckline is going to end. Very simple and very easy to make, and even a simple plain color fabric looks really beautiful with the contrasting color lace. You can use any kind of lace. So now I'm sewing my second bead. And in this way I have to finish 3 more beads, and once it's done it's just going to look really beautiful. And I totally love this project because it came out really nice, and it's very simple and very elegant. It's a good office wear also. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you next time with a different kind of neckline. Take care. Bye.